Storm Tracker 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Taking a live look across the region, we have clear skies tonight. It's going to be another pretty cold night for southern Oregon and northern California. Let's take a look at those overnight lows. Dipping down to 38 degrees in Medford. We'll fall into the 20s over on the east side, down to 30 in Wairika, 52 degrees along the coast in Brookings. Now, tomorrow in the Rogue Valley, we should see a fair amount of sunshine, but despite that chilly morning, it will be a warmer afternoon as temperatures climb into the 70s. Just a few thin high clouds. All in all, mostly sunny throughout southern Oregon and northern California for your Tuesday. We'll get up to 67 in Klamath Falls, up to 72 degrees in Mount Shasta, 76 in Grants Pass, and topping out around 71 degrees in Brookings. Fall color looking pretty good on the west side. Some areas seeing some pretty high color in parts of the Rogue Valley, and we're seeing peak fall color in the Mount Shasta area, past peak conditions on the east side. And if you want to check out some of that fall color, it's going to be beautiful the next few days. We're going to stay dry along the coast. Notice things do cool back a little bit for Wednesday and Thursday. We'll still be getting above 70 degrees in the Rogue Valley through the middle of the week. A little bit more in the way of clouds at times Wednesday and Thursday, but again, we do stay dry throughout the region through at least Thursday, but then big changes arrive for Friday. Take a look at the forecast for Crater Lake. Some fairly mild weather expected over the next few days, but snow is likely going to return to Crater Lake as we head into this weekend. So here's a look at Stormcast. Mostly sunny for your Tuesday, some warmer temperatures in the afternoon. As we head on into Wednesday, there will be a little bit of an increase in cloud cover, a mix of sun and clouds throughout the region. Kind of a similar story on the way for your Thursday. Late in the day, we will start to see winds picking up along the coast, as this is the storm system that is likely going to bring widespread precipitation of the region as we head into Friday. Some of the rain could be quite heavy on Friday towards the coast and coastal mountains, but notice widespread precipitation Friday and another system to follow on Saturday. But some colder air is going to start to move on in, so we will see snow levels lowering. Most of the snow staying above our Cascade passes even on into a good chunk of Saturday, but by later Saturday on into Sunday, we will likely see some travel impacts. Now, it's still a ways out, so the details on rain and snow amounts and specific impacts to travel, we're still going to be fine-tuning those details, but definitely some impactful weather looking more and more likely as we wrap up the week and head into the weekend. Take a look at that 7-day forecast. Heavy rainfall Friday and Saturday for the coast. We'll also see some pretty strong wind potential as well, but that's another thing that we're going to be kind of fine-tuning the details on exactly how strong some of those gusts could be. Northern California, very nice conditions the next couple of days. Warm, but look at how it cooled down as we head into the weekend. The Klamath Basin, wet and windy to wrap up the week, and heading into the weekend, we're going to watch those snow levels closely as we go towards Sunday, especially up in the mountains. Snow levels starting off high, no big travel concerns for the passes on Friday, but we're going to need to watch this weekend, especially later Saturday into Sunday. And then in the Rogue Valley, enjoy the 70s the next few days, but turning much cooler, and also rain returning to the area as we head towards Friday and on into the weekend, staying pretty active even into early next week. Let's take a live look right now at Talent. We'll be right back.